Hello friends, today I will show you how to plant a seed in Minecraft. The materials you will need. First, make an infinite water source like this if you are planning to plant a lot of seed. Place a water source in the middle block and tilt the land around with your hoe. A single water source can make 4 blocks around it wet. In this shape. Now right-click on the tilted land to plant a seed. That's how you plant a seed in Minecraft. You will need additional water source to make farm size bigger. Thanks for watching.